Create a comprehensive tutorial on designing vehicle wraps and vinyl graphics, then creating realistic mock-ups showing designs on vehicles. Teach designing for vehicle contours and architectural elements. Demonstrate creating three-dimensional mock-ups of designs applied to vehicle surfaces. Cover handling curved surfaces and perspective distortion. Teach creating multiple vehicle wrap variations for different vehicles. Include techniques for showing how designs wrap around vehicle features. Demonstrate preparing files for professional vehicle wrap installation. This tutorial serves graphic designers, vehicle wrap companies, and automotive advertisers.